Hey, girl.
Hey, girl, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So, Cece, you know I love you and I support everything that you do, right?
Yes, I know you do.
And you know I think you do amazing nails, right?
Yes.
So, I was wondering if you could hook me up and do my nails, girl.
I sure can do them.
But
What do you need me to do them?
Girl, tomorrow, but I was wondering, can you do them for free for me? Hello? Hello? No, this girl did not just hang up on me. The nerves. You know, I don't understand how people say that they support their family and friends with any and everything that they do. But they be wanting stuff for free. Like, people don't put their time and effort into things. Like, for instance, my friend Sierra, she does nails. When she did my nails, I paid her for them. My sister Venessa, the logo that you see of the two women, she drew it. She told me she wanted a certain price, and I gave her more money. My friend Lakira, peep the shirt, guys. Yeah, check out the logo. You can't see the shit. Anyway, she is a photographer. I would not be like, yo, Lakira, let me do like a 4-hour photo session and not pay you anything. She's like, bitch, you wailing. Like, they're putting in the time and the effort to do what they're doing. Also, don't say you support people, but you're not sharing things on social media. Granted, I know some people don't live for social media, but social media could be a breakthrough for some people. It can just take one like, one share, something. Don't say you support them also, like, and you're not even doing like a word of mouth about what they're doing. Like, tell somebody to tell somebody about what somebody is doing if you are not sharing the stuff on social media. All I know is actions speak louder than words. So, if you support somebody, show it. Show the fuck out of it. Like, listen, money talks too. This only $8, but so what? Money talks too. Throw some money their way so they can have a shmoney dance. But I just feel like if you support somebody, show it. Act like it. That's all for now. I know you guys like what you see. No, I'm sorry. And what you hear. So like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Hey. I ain't got no damn sense. Bye, guys. Mwah.